In 2026, some people are still using AI to write emails, and some are building AI employees. Real AI systems that answer customers, close sales, automate businesses, create content, manage teams, even build other AI tools. One AI agent can now do the work of entire departments. And the craziest part? A lot of the people building these systems were completely beginners just a year ago. No computer science degree, no Silicon Valley connections, no giant startup funding, just laptops, internet, and the ability to understand one thing before everyone else's future. The future isn't about using AI. It's about building AI that works for people. And right now, AI agent developers are becoming some of the highest paid and fastest growing creators, freelancers, startup founders, and engineers in the world. But the life of an AI agent developer changes a lot at every level. At level 1, you're just trying to make a chatbot work. At higher levels, companies start paying you thousands of dollars to automate their business. And at the highest level, you stop selling your time completely. Your AI agents work while you sleep. So today, let's go through the real life of an AI agent developer at every level. From complete beginner all the way to building AI businesses worth millions. And trust me, level 10 changes everything. Level 1, the curious beginner. This is where almost everyone starts. You've seen ChatGPT online. Maybe you watched people talking about AI automation. Maybe you heard someone say AI agents are replacing jobs. And suddenly, you become obsessed. You start watching YouTube videos at 2 a.m. You open ChatGPT for the first time. You test random prompts. You feel like magic just entered your laptop. At this level, you don't really understand what an AI agent is. You think it's just a smarter chatbot. But slowly, you discover something bigger. An AI agent isn't just answering questions. It can actually take actions. It can read files, send emails, book meetings, research information, create content, analyze data, talk to APIs, automate workflows. And that realization changes everything. This is usually the phase where people start experimenting with tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, N8N, Make, Zapier, Replit, Cursor. At first, nothing works properly. Your automations break. Your prompts fail. The AI hallucinates. You spend hours fixing tiny problems. But this level is important because this is where curiosity is stronger than skill. And in the AI world, curiosity matters more than almost anything. Level 2, the prompt engineer. Now you start understanding something most people don't. The quality of AI output depends heavily on the quality of instructions. So you begin learning prompt engineering. You discover system prompts, role prompting, memory, chain of thought reasoning, structured outputs, context windows. You realize AI is less like Google and more like managing a very smart employee. If your instructions are vague, the results are bad. If your instructions are clear, the AI becomes incredibly powerful. This is where many people start making money for the first time. Not huge money, but maybe writing prompts for businesses, creating AI content systems, selling templates, helping teams use ChatGPT, building simple customer support bots. And this is also where reality hits. Because you realize something important. Most businesses have no idea how to use AI properly. A restaurant owner, a real estate company, a marketing agency, a dentist, a law firm. They all want AI, but they don't know where to start. So suddenly, even basic AI knowledge becomes valuable. And for the first time, you stop feeling like a beginner. Level 3, the automation builder. This is where things become real. You stop making simple chatbots. Now you're building workflows. This is the level where AI agent developers discover automation platforms. And honestly, This is where many people change their financial future. Because businesses don't really care about cool AI. They care about saving time, saving money, making more revenue. So you start building systems like AI customer support agents, automatic email responders, lead generation systems, AI appointment booking, AI social media workflows, AI research assistants, AI sales follow-up systems. You connect tools together. ChatGPT talks to Google Sheets. Google Sheets talks to Slack. Slack triggers automations. AI analyzes customer messages. And suddenly, you realize you're building digital employees. At this level, many AI developers start freelancing, and the demand is insane because companies are scared. They know AI is changing everything, but most teams inside those companies don't know how to build these systems yet. So even one automation that saves a business 20 hours a week can become extremely valuable. Some freelancers at this level already start making $1,000, $3,000, even $10,000 projects. Not because they're genius programmers, but because they solve real business problems. Level 4, the AI workflow architect. Now your mindset changes completely. You stop thinking, how do I use AI? And start thinking, how do I build entire systems? This level is where AI agent developers begin understanding architecture. You learn about multi-agent systems, vector databases, memory systems, retrieval augmented generation, API integrations, tool calling, AI reasoning loops, autonomous workflows. You also discover a harsh truth. Most AI demos online are fake. Many AI startups are just simple wrappers, and many viral AI videos hide how fragile these systems actually are. So you begin focusing on reliability. Because real businesses don't care if your AI looks impressive. They care if it works consistently. This is where your projects become more advanced. You build AI hiring assistants, AI research teams, AI SDR sales agents, AI customer onboarding systems, AI internal company assistants, AI knowledge bases. And now coding becomes more important. You start learning Python, APIs, databases, JavaScript, cloud deployment, not necessarily to become a full software engineer, but because powerful AI systems eventually require customization. And this is the level where many people become obsessed, because you start realizing AI agents are not a trend. They're becoming infrastructure. Level 5, the AI freelancer. This is where the money becomes serious. At this level, you're no longer experimenting with AI. You now solve business problems professionally. And companies are willing to pay a lot for that. Because hiring employees is expensive. Training teams is expensive. Human errors are expensive. But AI automation, it works 24/7. So businesses start asking questions like, can AI answer our customers? Can AI qualify leads? Can AI automate our reports? Can AI manage our CRM? Can AI help our sales team? And suddenly, you become extremely valuable. At this level, many AI agent developers start building personal brands online. They post AI workflows, automation demos, tutorials, case studies, before and after business results, and clients start coming automatically. Some developers here make more money than traditional software engineers, not because they code better, but because they understand business outcomes. This level also teaches an important lesson. The best AI developers are not the most technical. They're the ones who understand people. Level 6, the startup builder. Now things get dangerous because you realize something. If you can automate one business, you can automate thousands. And this is where AI agent developers start becoming founders. Instead of building systems for clients one by one, you start building products. You launch AI SaaS tools, AI sales platforms, AI customer support systems, AI marketing agents, AI content engines, AI business assistants. Some fail immediately. Most fail, actually. Because building AI products is much harder than making viral demos. Users complain, models break, costs increase, competition explodes, and AI changes so fast that products can become outdated in months. But if your product solves a real problem, things move very fast. Some solo AI founders now build companies making $10,000 a month, $100,000 a month, even millions per year, with very small teams. That was almost impossible before modern AI. This level is where AI becomes less about technology and more about leverage. Level 7, the elite AI engineer. At this level, you enter a completely different world. Now you work on systems that feel futuristic. You understand fine-tuning, open source models, local AI systems, inference optimization, advanced reasoning systems, AI infrastructure, agent orchestration, enterprise AI deployment. You're no longer just using models from big companies. You understand how these systems actually work behind the scenes. This is where people start joining elite startups, AI labs, advanced research teams, enterprise AI companies. And salaries at this level can become massive because the world currently has a shortage of people who truly understand advanced AI systems. But something interesting happens here. The best AI engineers stop chasing hype. They stop caring about viral tools because they understand something beginners don't. The real power isn't the model. It's the system around the model. The workflows, the memory, the tools, the infrastructure, the data, the user experience. That's what creates real value. Level 8, the AI company owner. This is where life changes completely. At this level, you don't just build AI. You run businesses powered by AI. Your AI agents handle support, qualify leads, create reports, generate marketing, analyze data, assist employees, automate operations. And now, your focus becomes scaling, hiring, distribution, product strategy, growth, partnerships. You realize the biggest advantage in business is no longer just labor. It's automation. And companies that fail to adapt start falling behind. This is already happening in the real world. Startups today can operate with tiny teams. One person with AI tools can now do the work that once required entire departments. And this level creates something new. AI native companies. Businesses designed around AI from day one. Not businesses adding AI later. That difference is huge. Level 9, the AI investor. At this level, you stop thinking like an engineer. Now you think like someone watching the future happen in real time. You understand which industries AI will transform, which jobs will evolve, which startups will survive, which tools are temporary, where the biggest opportunities are. And this changes how you see the world. You realize AI isn't replacing humans completely. It's changing what humans do. The people who survive won't necessarily be the smartest. They'll be the fastest learners, the most adaptable, the people willing to evolve. At this level, many AI experts begin investing in startups, buying AI businesses, building AI ecosystems, mentoring founders, creating AI education companies. Because they understand one thing. We are still early. Very early. Most businesses around the world still haven't fully adopted AI, which means the opportunity is still massive. Level 10. The person who builds digital workers. At the highest level, your relationship with work changes completely. You stop trading hours for money. Now your systems create value continuously. Your AI agents answer customers while you sleep, run automations globally, generate leads automatically, create content continuously, analyze businesses instantly, assist teams in real time. And the craziest part? This is only the beginning. Because AI agents today are still primitive compared to what's coming next. Future AI systems will become more autonomous, more personalized, more reliable, more connected to real-world tools. And the people building those systems right now, they're shaping the future of work itself. But here's the truth nobody talks about. The life of an AI agent developer isn't just exciting. It's also exhausting. The technology changes constantly. Tools become outdated fast. Competition increases every month. And sometimes it feels impossible to keep up. But the opportunity? It's one of the biggest technology shifts of our generation. And unlike many industries, this one is still accessible. A student can enter, a freelancer can enter, a business owner can enter, a self-taught beginner can enter. Right now, someone sitting in a bedroom with a laptop could build the next massive AI company. That sounds crazy, but it's already happening. So, that was your life at every level of an AI agent developer. From curious beginner to building digital workers that can operate entire businesses. And honestly, we're probably still at the beginning of this revolution. A few years ago, most people didn't even know what AI agents were. Now, companies are racing to adopt them. And in the future, knowing how to build AI systems may become as important as knowing how to use the internet. The biggest question is no longer, will AI change the world? That's already happening. The real question is, will you be one of the people building that future? And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe. Because the next generation of careers, businesses, and opportunities is already being created right now. And trust me, you do not want to be late this time.